NB Global Monthly Income Fund. The NB stands for Neuberger Berman. This stock is on the London Stock Exchange, pays a dividend every month, and the last one I received was an ordinary dividend of 0.64 pence per share. So I won't spoil the surprise of the website, it's for your own research, but nice little bit of information on it. You'll have a look at the portfolio, all that good stuff. But I'll leave that for you to make up your own mind, and I'll just run through the basics. So ticker symbol is NBMI. At the moment, not doing very well, as are most stocks. You can see here's the long-term graph. They were founded in 2011, and this graph goes back to 2011. So this is about as much information as we have to go on. Pretty stable for what they got to 9 years. That there is lockdown. And this is what it's done since. So another one that'll be interesting to see what the future holds. However, NB Global Monthly Income Fund is a closed-end investment company, and its investment objective is to provide the company shareholders with consistent levels of monthly income while maintaining or increasing the net asset value per share over time. And to pursue this objective, they invest in credit assets, including 50% to 70% in traditional credit, meaning high-yield bonds, floating rate loans, and investment-grade corporate bonds, and about 30 to 50% in alternative credit, mezzanine debt, club loan transactions, and private corporate loans issued directly to borrowers. Its investments will be issued in United States dollars, sterling, and euros by corporations, partnerships, and other business issuers based primarily in North America, the UK, and Europe. Neuberger Berman Europe Limited is the asset manager, and Neuberger Berman Investment Advisors LLC is the alternative investment fund manager of the company. So there's nothing for a CEO or employees. It happens quite a lot. Current market cap is £185.39 million, has a PE ratio of 14.28, its current revenue is £16.8 million, has a positive earnings per share of 5 pence, and a current dividend yield of about 6.8%. Its annual profit margin is 76%, and over the last quarter, not great, negative 30%. Its annual debt to assets is 3%, which is good, and over the last quarter is about the same. And its annual cash flow from operating is £11.5 million, and from financing is negative £15.9 million. But that's all the information that Trading 212 gives. Now the long-term graph, to be honest, I don't really know. I can't really make any even kind of estimate about where it could go, because it was looking very stable for the guts of 9 years. The low point was February 2016, where it was 84 pence, and then the lockdown low that's the lowest that a lot of stocks, you'll see it on their long-term graph, absolutely fell off a cliff. But at the time, nobody knew how long it was going to go on or how serious it was going to be, so huge sell-off at the time. Anyway, the 52-week low is 0.75 pence, and the 52-week high is 76.6 pence. Yeah, it's looking very rough. I wonder where they got this figure though. Anyway, dividend history. It appears to have been paying quarterly dividends for quite a few years in the beginning. Goes back to, yeah, I don't really know how they have information from 2006 when the company was founded in 2011. So just maybe to just confuse us. But it appears to have been paying quarterly for quite a good few years, up until 2020. Yeah, it paid a quarterly dividend in 2021. And then it started paying monthly dividends. So yeah, only in 2021, so it's been only a pretty new monthly payer. Exciting stuff. However, it's looking pretty scary at the moment, as are most stocks. Well, that's all for this one, and I hope that you found this useful.